We're doing precision medicine, personalized medicine, genomic medicine to study human disease at a very precise level. When I walk into my office and I see a patient, they want precision care. They want care that's appropriate just to them, just to their health or disease. Everybody is provided a blueprint for everything that they can or will have over the course of their lives. That's DNA. DNA itself is just a template. It can be modified. Once the genes are transcribed, they're made into molecules called RNA. The RNA itself dictates production of proteins that are the machinery of the cell. We can now measure all the proteins in your body pretty quickly and easily, and the modifications they undergo. As we start to measure each and every one of these molecules and their modifications, we can start to build an entire chart of your precise chemical makeup. Hundreds and millions of data points. Finally, you get to cells. And we can look at the different cells in your body within the different organs. When we put all that together, for the individual patient, you come up with an individual risk. It's a potential risk. Studying people who are resistant to these molecular changes are just as important as studying those who have the disease, so we can start to understand the resilience of the human body. We are all making up populations. There is a cumulative risk when you add up individual risk and populations. Now, all those things in the bottom triangle are influenced by things that go on every day in our lives, from the point of conception to after birth, the living conditions in which you were raised, and the diet that you eat, whether or not you are sedentary or you're active, cultural traditions, your neighborhoods, and finally, there are social and economic policies that drive your health. Are you in a city that's very polluted? Do you have access to health care and medications that you need? All this comes together so that you can see the population care and individual precision care are really a spectrum, and that this spectrum continues over the life course. And it's really pretty simple. From the time that you're conceived till the time of your death, the exposures you have can modify your health and your susceptibility to disease. And that leads to this idea of population's health research. The general population, some of us are susceptible to certain things. What do we need to do in our daily life in order to avoid and or reverse that process? And we started a new center here at the Cleveland Clinic, the Center for Population's Health Research. We are trying to collectively work with our patients that come to the Cleveland Clinic to collect the samples, to analyze with their consent, to understand the best care we can provide for them over the following years.